I have exactly $83.56 to spend at Bed Bath & Beyond. If you don't know, if you haven't seen the news, Bed Bath & Beyond is closing pretty soon. So I tried to place a few online arbitrage orders, but some of them got cancelled and I have 2 days left to spend that money before they remove that money from my account. So we are gonna go to Bed Bath & Beyond together. I'm gonna show you a little bit how to do retail arbitrage at the same time. So yeah, it's gonna be a great video. If you don't know me, my name is Mangunza. I make videos. There is a new video every single day on selling on Amazon. Most of it is on online arbitrage, but today I have that money to spend and there's no way in hell that I leave them like that. They're just gonna keep that money. All right, so I need to spend that money. I have $83 to spend. We are gonna try to at least double that money, so trying to get $160 back from it, and let's see how it goes. So to help us basically figure out which product to buy and stuff, we are gonna use 2 apps mainly. The first one is called Scodify. All right, so Scodify is an app that comes free if you have inventory labs. So do not use Seller Amp, do not use all those apps. You do not need that when you do retail arbitrage. You just need Scodify or just the Amazon Seller app. I don't like it, but basically you'll have all the information you need with Scodify, which is totally free. When you scan the product, you can see all the offers, you can see the sales rank, and so you're going to be pretty much able to determine how much product is selling and at what price you can sell. But just to double check on that, we are going to use the Keepa app as well on our phone to scan the product. So we're going to use that, we're going to see how it goes, and hopefully we can find some profit. Guys, there's almost nothing left. Like, just look over there. It's super empty. So I'm not even sure we're gonna be able to eat at McDonald's actually. So I'm gonna show you how to use Scodify. So you're just gonna open the app, all right? You let it load, and you are just going to scan the barcode right on the product, and it's gonna load a little bit, and we can see that this is the product that we want. Usually my target cost, I leave it at break even. So I know that I need to get this under $24. This is $22.99, right? This is $22.99, so we could get this, and if we get it, we're gonna make $1. So it's like 5%, so it's not worth our time. But let's look at everything and see if we can find something better. Look at how everything is empty, like it's crazy. I came way too late, and I don't know if I'm gonna actually be able to spend my $80, and we are definitely going to be starving today because I don't know how we are going to be able to buy some food. So yeah, this shit is depressing. Like, as you can see behind me, almost everything is empty. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do to spend, because there's nothing that interests me anyways for myself. What the fuck am I gonna get? Right, I'm gonna get some bed sheets. Like, I don't give a fuck. What am I gonna do with some towels? Like $80, like I'm gonna spend $80 in towels? Hell no. So yeah, let's dig a little bit more. We need to find some profit, or at least something interesting for me. I found this, so as you can see, I can sell it at $24.99. So by looking at the Keepa right there, we can see that it's sold up to $30. So we can probably get this and sell it at $24.99, and it's going to be 30% return on investment, but it's better that than leaving them with my money, right? So let's see if we can find something else. At least this is some profit. Maybe we will need to get some products at a little bit of a loss, but at least we're getting the money back that I have on my welcome rewards account, right? So let's try to see if we can find something else. What you want to do usually is you want to scan all the aisles. Like, you do not want to go for the product that's selling at MSRP, but you want to go to the clearance aisles, the sales aisles, and just take your app and scan every single product one after the other. If you want to find profit doing retail arbitrage, this is what you gotta do. Scan everything, you'll find some stuff. So this is profitable. The only thing is that you can see that the packaging is beat up, and if you open it, you'll see that, you know, it's damaged and stuff. Yeah, the packaging is beat up. I'm not gonna get this. But you always want to check the packaging. You always want to check if, you know, the product is damaged. So we cannot sell this, and always check that because you're gonna get returned if you do not do it. Sometimes what is going to happen is you're gonna have the barcode that is either covered with a sticker or like blurred out, right? Randy just showed, like I was talking to Randy on Discord. Randy, a member of the Discord, OG member. By the way, join the Discord if you want help with selling on Amazon and stuff. But like, what you're gonna see is something like this, right? Where the barcode is going to be striped out, right? Or either that, or it's gonna be like, there's gonna be a little thing on it, another sticker on it that hides the barcode. Just peel it off a little, and what you can do is just enter that number. You see that number right there? You see that number? You can just enter it manually on Spotify or on your Amazon Seller app, and it's gonna return the product if the product is on Amazon. So do not get discouraged by stuff like that. Try digging a little bit more, and usually if there's a barrier of entry, like not a barrier of entry, but like something that makes it a little bit harder like this, a lot of people are not gonna do it, and you can sometimes find more profit by doing this. Guys, there's really nothing, so I may get the money and spend it on some Advil, just so, you know, working on Amazon, selling on Amazon, it's stressful. You get a lot of headaches, so, you know, dealing with sales support is a pain. So I may get some of them to help me. Okay, I have money on my account. How do I use it?
He's saying that he had show it to her. He said he have in his wallet.
Guys, this is a fucking joke. So the guy, I'm not able to use my welcome reward, so I need to call in the corporate number, and they're gonna let me. They're gonna see what's going on with the issue. So it's been like 30-45 minutes that we've been trying to fix the issue at the register. So yeah, and the guy tried to sell us on his chair. It's super comfy apparently. So let me try it. Yeah, it's good. No, nobody's answering. So is there any way you can just take note of my phone number or whatever, and like figure out the way with the manager to charge my account? Because I'm not gonna be able to use this money after Monday anyway. So.
Yeah.
Nobody is answering. So is there any way you can just take my account information and like charge my account any other way?
Only through that number,
I'll try. I'll try to. Okay guys, so the manager tried to help us as much as he could, but like I feel like Bed Bath & Beyond is trying to scam us. So if you have money over there, try to get the money out of your account as soon as possible. If you have a gift card, use them as soon as possible. But like it's just impossible to use that money in store. Probably they shut down the system already. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get some food, because I'm tired. We spent like 1 hour or 2 hours inside the store. We could not use the money. We tried to shop, like we wasted a lot of time. So fuck Bed Bath & Beyond. We're gonna get some Asian food, and then we're gonna go home and we're gonna try to spend. This is our last resort. He gave us the phone number, but like we stayed on the phone for like 15 minutes and nobody answered. So we're gonna try to go on Bed Bath & Beyond when we get home and trying to find some stuff to buy, even if it's not profitable, just to get the money out of this company, because I do not want to leave them with my money. This is bullshit. Like I do not want to get scammed by this company. I do not want to leave a corporation with with all my money. So we're gonna try to find a solution. So I forgot to tell you. The thing is that, you know, they say that they are doing liquidation sales and stuff.
In half a mile, turn right.
I totally forgot to tell you that, because we spent so much time with the guy, and I was pissed off. The guy tried to be as helpful as he could, but like there's nothing he can do, right? So the thing is that we were not going to even end up buy products for Amazon, right? So the camera woman wanted to get some beauty products and stuff, so I said, you know what, just use all the money, buy all the products you want, because like it's okay, it's fine. I do not care about like, you know, like a $100 profit, right? So I would have preferred, but the thing is that the products were trash, right? Because they said that it was a liquidation from that was going from 10% to 40%, all right? There was nothing at 40%, like it was trash. And anyways, with the welcome reward thing, we used to have 20% on everything on the store before, so the clearance is not even that good. The liquidation sale is not even that good. It's worse than what it was with the welcome reward program, where you had 20% on everything. So most of the products were not good, like it was not profitable. I mean the small
in 0.1 miles, turn right.
How is it called? the broad beast things was profitable, but like it was nothing crazy. So it was like 30-40%. So you know, it was just trash. Like we used to get 20%, and most of the store was at 10%. So we were paying 10% on top of what we would have paid before, right? So you can like, it's totally trash. You could try to go and see for yourself if you can find product. I was not able to find anything. So yeah, so let's get some food and then let's get on Bye Bye Baby and try to find some stuff. Alright guys, we got to Grill 305, one of the best Asian restaurants in Miami. It's in a hood though, so if you visit Miami, try them out. And if you go guys, mention my name so they can give me some free food for the promotion. But yeah, let's grab some food and let's go back home. Guys, we made it back home. Yeah, I was not able to let these guys scam me, as I told you. So their website is acting up, I'm not gonna lie. It's not working properly, so you guys can see right now. But I'm now the proud owner of this cold brew maker and this, let it load up a little bit, it's acting up, and this coffee grinder. So I did everything that I needed to do to get my money out of this failing company. I was about to say rest in peace to Bed Bath & Beyond, but no, right now it's fuck Bed Bath & Beyond, because I had to work super hard to get those $80. Like it took me half my day to get these $80 out of this company, and I'm so like, it was a waste of time, I'm not gonna lie. Like my time would have been better spent somewhere else, but it's just, you know, it's not even about the money, but it's about principles. I need to get my money out of this. They're not gonna scam me. There's no way. So I would have hoped that I really wanted to try to find profitable products that I could resell and get my money out. But like, I had to get this stuff, right? I had to get this stuff from them. And you've seen it. Like I drink cold brew every single morning. I usually buy it at Publix. I buy some organic brand. I forgot what the name is. What the name is? Oh, is it Busy Cold Brew? Here we go. So I used to, but now I'm gonna make my own cold brew. I'm gonna save some money on that. So I guess it's money well spent. I hope you guys liked this video. It's a little bit, you know, different than the video that I used to do. If you guys want to see me do more in real, like more vlog styled video like this one, that are still you know, teaching you stuff, because I hope it taught you some stuff regarding retail arbitrage. Let me know in the comments and stuff. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you. We're gonna get to 1,000 subscribers soon, so thank you for supporting me. And I'll see you in the next video. I release a new video every single day at, there's no more specific hour, just any random time, but I release at least one video a day. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.